How to delete your Google activity for all apps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can actually delete your Google activity for all apps such as Google, YouTube, and so on. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say you want to remove all of your data from Google, such as all of the live posts which you have liked and all of the posts which you have actually liked, commented, and subscribed to. Let's say you just want to delete those activity and search histories as well. So for that, first of all, open up your Chrome and then you have to go to this URL called myactivity.google.com. So I'll also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. You simply need to go to myactivity.google.com, hit go, and then make sure that you're actually logged into your Google account. After that, you'll be able to see all these options. So if you've turned on web and app activity, you can see your YouTube history they're currently on, and you could basically tap on it. If you wanted to delete them, you could turn them off as well, or you could go to manage history over here and then you could basically go ahead and delete them one after another. But since it's just too time consuming for you, what you might want to do is, in order to delete it, there are basically a couple of different options. So as you can see all of these, what you want to do is right under this you'll find a section which says filter by date, and you'll see delete button. Tap on delete and you can select all time, and once you select all time, you'll be able to see a list of all of the activities that will be deleted, such as your ads, Google Ads, your Android, your Google Assistant, your Google Chrome, your developers, your Discover setting, your analytics, your Google Lens, your Google Play games, your Google Play movies, your Google Play Store, your help, your image search, your maps, your Google search, your video search, as well as your YouTube. Once you tap on it, you basically need to tap on the next button, and all of your activities is basically going to be deleted from Google. So right over here you can see it says all of your selected activity will actually be deleted, so you can go ahead and simply delete it if you want it to. And this is how you can delete all your Google activities. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.